Hello everyone. Today let us learn the daily routine vocabulary in English. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. in the morning. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed and start my day. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I tidy up my bedroom. I wash my hands. I wash my face. I take a shower. I dry and comb my hair. I meditate for 10 minutes. I do some exercises to stay fit. I go for a jog in the park. I water my plants in the garden. I prepare the breakfast. I usually have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I pack my lunch for work. I start working at 9 a.m. I attend meetings and give the presentations. I take a lunch break. I leave office at 5 p.m. I reach home at 6:30 p.m. I take rest for some time. I go for shopping for groceries. I have dinner at 8 p.m. I clean my kitchen. I get into my pajamas. I go to sleep. These are the English vocabulary daily routine words. This is how you have to talk in English. Okay, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Thank you.